within hours of the judge overturning that decision, the gates were open. People were inside dropping off scrap metal. Now, despite the judge's decision that will hopefully force EMR to operate safely, neighbors tell us they are still living in fear. Brittany Morgan lives near EMR Recycling in Camden and says for years she's lived with a constant fear of when the next fire could spark.
When I say that there's so much lingering trauma in our neighborhood and myself because of these fires, I'm not just like tossing that word around.
Morgan says her family has experienced multiple evacuations because of fires at the site.
I have a 7-year-old and a 4-year-old, and my 7-year-old has been evacuated because of industrial fires at EMR 3 different times.
Camden shut down the scrap metal facility following a major fire back in May. Just yesterday, Camden City Council members voted against allowing EMR to reopen their waterfront facility. But today, a judge overturned that decision and lifted the suspension, allowing EMR to reopen with conditions. That includes making sure fire suppression systems are operational.
Hearing that they're reopening, it kind of made me start to get anxious again because I felt like it was like a breath of fresh air that they were closed.
In a statement today, the mayor and city council members say they're still calling the judge's decision a win, saying in part EMR will now be required by the courts to run a safe site. For years, residents have raised concerns about air quality and smoke, while EMR attorneys blame improperly disposed lithium-ion batteries for the fires. Neighbors say the fight to close the plant's doors permanently continues.
But I feel like as long as we keep talking and voicing how we feel about it, then hopefully there will be a set date for it to be closed for good.
Well, this decision comes as Governor Mikey Sherrill signed a bill into law today that requires scrap metal recycling companies like this one to enhance their safety measures. In Camden County, Kelsey, Kushner, NBC 10 News.